guys, it's me Megan, and today we will be showing you my toy review. So let's get started. Show them the toy. So this is a Chloe Bratz doll. Hey, you're not supposed to do that on show. Now hold it. This is a Chloe Bratz doll. And you should see, yeah, I color her hair and stuff. And you see that she has a little eyelashes right there. And a blue eye. And she has some cute big lips. And just like a regular breast doll. And a cute eyebrows with some makeup. And she has some, show them the shoes. And she has some cute, okay, let's show you the shoes. Oh my god, I'm trying to let you guys see the shoes. She has this cute, beautiful shoes on. And I color her clothes. Let me hold it for you. And then that's behind her hair. And next week I will be showing you how to do hairstyles for her. So, I'm going to show you. Oh, and I will show you some scoop. And this is her skirt. It's really cute. That's it. So the next video will be showing all of my school supplies, but some peace out. Bye, glitters.